Hey guys, this is my hoover, eggless twin chamber, system, and I would have to say it is about my favorite vacuum out of my collection. Well, I guess I have my attachment out, so, that kind of sounded bad. Anywho, yeah, so we'll, try it out, and we'll get the upright portion going. Turn it on. Oh yeah, the on-off switch. That is pretty awesome. Anywho, let's get at it. That is pretty clean. Pretty good for straight suction. Anywho, I'll try and get the upright portion of it running later, but just gonna talk, air conditioners running. Those are all my vacuum parts and filters over there. By the way, that's not close. I'm not that messy. Yeah. So, yeah, really cool vac. I like it. This isn't lost or anything. I still have that around. I love that song in the background. That's why it's playing. Anyways, so yeah, I put a new belt in it like 2 months ago. Anyways, couldn't short on time, so bye. Oh, or I guess not. Anywho, yeah, I thought I was gonna run out of memory, so anyways, I got about a minute left, or half a minute. So, yeah, I'll try and get some more HVAC videos out there for y'all to enjoy. Sorry that Coleman EvCon vid wasn't that good. I'm gonna probably come back and service it later, and try and get work done on that, so, yeah. Anyways, kind of busy lately, been working on lots of projects, lots of work to do before winter. Gotta get the dog winterized. I'm not even sure how you can winterize a dog.